Hi guys, Expert Trades. A little review here on the Uponor shrink fit system. We got picked up a couple of guns and kits a few weeks ago, following the installer show and following some work Expert Trades already been doing with these guys. As you can see, it comes in three different sizes. You've not got your normal 15mm and your 22mm and your 28mm. It comes in 16mm, 20mm and 25mm. Those are the expanding jaws. There you go. For the 16mm, and in the box you get your 20mm set and your 25mm set. So the idea of this kit is it's moved away from using your O-ring set inside your fittings, and it's just basically expanding the pipe, pushing your T-piece inside, and then the pipe shrinks down and seals it tight basically. Great system. We've used it now on a whole house, hot water and the heating. Really quick, extremely quick to be honest with you. The only thing I don't like about this is if you do make a mistake or you struggle to get it in the fitting quick enough, you can't really get it apart to redo it. There's a multitude of different fittings. You can go back to copper to 15mm quite easily, straight onto your isolation valves or on the bottom to your radiator valves, really quick. And that's it really. I'll give you a little demo of how easy it is to put it together. So you got your 16mm pipe, push your grips band over the outside, put your pipe expander inside it, there you go, fitting inside, as easy as that, all the way back up to your knuckle there, and that's it. That's not coming out. It will allow you to turn it as well. Even when it's gripped tight and it's sealed, you will still have movement in the pipe. So yeah, highly recommended. Look forward to using the kit more and more, and stocking up with more fittings. Thanks guys. There we go, easy as that.